Today I'm going to show how to copy information from a Flatpak from one computer to another. So to get started, I'm going to Flatpak search Nuclear. Nuclear is an audio streaming service. It pulls songs from sources like YouTube, Bandcamp. So after I search it, I'll Flatpak install it by its application ID, and I'll just copy and paste that in. And hit yes to those prompts. A couple of other useful Flatpak commands. You can Flatpak list, and it'll tell you all of the Flatpaks that you have on your system. You can also Flatpak and run and enter an application ID. And if you want to run an application in game mode, you can enter game mode run, Flatpak run, and then the application ID. And what game mode does is it prioritizes that particular process. So let's go ahead and open up Nuclear now, and there we go. Now in here I'll show the playlist. For this instance the playlist is empty, however on another machine I do have a couple of playlists already. So Flatpaks live in the .var folder, and after you open a Flatpak, it'll create a folder with its application ID name. If you've never opened that Flatpak before, it's not going to have that. So now on my other system that I do have a few playlists made already, I'll show how to copy that. And how you copy it, it really doesn't matter whether you want to copy it onto a USB, if you want to send it over SFTP, which I might show in another video. Here you can see on this machine I have playlists already. I made a pretty neat synth post-punk playlist, and I want to have that music also on my other system. So in that same location from the .var folder, over on that far right I have the Nuclear folder, and I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to log into my other computer, and there's a few commands that you need if you want to allow remoting into another machine, or if you want to allow machines to remote into yours. And I'll probably put those commands in the description of this video. So important thing to note on here is that you do want to write into the other folder. You want to overwrite the information, because the other folder, that was just a blank folder. So now jumping back to the blank system, now when I open Nuclear, you'll see that there's some more data in there, that those playlists are now populated, that now both of those programs are working the same, as you can see there. So thanks for watching. Hope you found that useful. It works for pretty much all Flatpaks.